Let's have a look at the latest in Sony XBR technology with this 46 XBR10 series. It has every Sony technology from 240Hz Motionflow, BRAVIA Internet Video, Widgets, BRAVIA Engine 3 and Photo TV HD for great still and moving picture quality, TV guide, eco features, DLNA, and so much more. Let's take this set out and have a look. It is really thin thanks to LED edge lighting technology. We've used edge lighting for years in smaller things like laptops and notebooks, where things like viewing angle and then just the sheer distance you have to cover with the light aren't really an issue. With advances in light guide technology, it enables us to make really nice edge-lit sets with great picture quality. Installing on the included swivel stand is easy. Simply place the TV on the stand, attach your 4 screws, and you are ready to go. It's a nice smooth swivel. And attaching the power cord is straightforward as well. It tucks nicely through the stand, and then the back of it clips right back on. Then a cover plate goes over to give the entire thing a nice finished look, front or back. Inside the box we have instructions, power cords, backlit remote, and of course the media receiver. What's really unique is the built-in 1080p wireless technology with HDMI, USB, and composite inputs on the front, and 2-component PC input, 3 HDMI, Ethernet, and RS-232, and an optical out on the wireless receiver. It's your hub for everything. When you turn the set on, it's just like a regular BRAVIA. The logo comes up and the TV starts working. The wireless connectivity happens automatically. You do have your cross-media bar, DLNA through Ethernet for pictures, video, and music files. You also have BRAVIA Internet Video and BRAVIA Internet Widgets. We have standalone videos on the channel about the cross-media bar, about the BRAVIA Internet Video and the BRAVIA Internet Widgets, YouTube. All those things are covered there, so I'll refer you to those instead of going over it again. So how do LEDs allow us to get these really thin TVs from an LCD TV? The way it works is to use LEDs along the edge of the TV firing in, spreading the light through a series of light guides to help give you the illumination needed for the picture. On a conventional LCD set, that backlighting is provided by a series of thin fluorescent lamps that create a panel which adds some thickness to the TV. LED edge lighting eliminates that. While a super slim TV is beautiful from a decor point of view, we still need it to provide excellent image quality. And to get the best image quality, you need superior image processing. And on the XBR10 we have BRAVIA Engine 3. What's really key about the BRAVIA Engine 3 is that it processes all signals, standard definition and high definition. And it improves the color balance, it improves the accuracy, it removes noise, it improves the contrast. All things critical to getting you a superior picture. Not just for your high definition beautiful signals, but for all the overcompressed signals and the broadcast signals and some of the lower quality standard definition signals you're also going to want to watch. BRAVIA Engine 3 cleans all of that up. The other great image quality technology we have is Motionflow 240. And what's great about that technology is it actually creates more content than comes into the TV. Let me explain. A regular TV picture, you have an image about every 60th of a second. With previous incarnations, we add 1 extra frame to give us 120 frames a second. With Motionflow 240, we actually add 3 brand new complete frames in between each original frame to give you smooth, beautiful motion. The other thing we do is before we create those extra frames, we make sure that they're as sharp as possible. And when we're working with 24p content, we do a different algorithm altogether to make sure that we are adding frames at the original keyframes. Whether you're watching it over broadcast or through a 24p signal, the Motionflow 240 is going to be accurate and it's going to make all your pictures smooth and beautiful. So that's the XBR10 series from Sony with cutting edge 1080p streaming running on a 60 gigahertz frequency, beautiful design powered by LED edge lit technology, connectivity to play BRAVIA Internet video, DLNA streaming, your internet widgets, and the picture quality you've come to expect. 240 Hz in Motionflow, BRAVIA Sync, and the BRAVIA Engine 3 for the ultimate in image processing. The XBR10 series by Sony.